Very happy evening to all. My dear lovable students, it's really a very happy evening from my side because we are going to approach our Jan 2026 examination. First of all, those who are going to write in Jan examination, I am saying an advance congratulations for your 3 exemption in all the 3 papers. That is advanced accounting, law and tax. Yes, sir. This side, this is ANM. My dear lovable students, in this video, we are going to see how we have to prepare the 5.5 day strategy. Today is 30th, tomorrow is 31st. Actually, we have to start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just want to tell you that by tomorrow, you close your tax and you close your law. And from 1st onwards, super sir, happy new year sir. 1st onwards, come to advanced accounting, our paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, many people will be so much tired after long preparation in this month. Many people will be in track. Many people would have lost the track. Many people will be confused. Many people will be self-doubt. Some people will be overconfident. Some people will be having so much of fear. These are all called as emotions. Keep all your emotions put it on dustbin for next 5 days or rather next 20 days. Don't think anything. You don't assume anything. You were really worked for certain days, 12, 14 hours also. My dear lovable students, this last 5.5 days are really important. If you are mentally tired, if you are physically tired, automatically the exam will be getting tired. You just look back last 3 months, last 4 months, how much effort you have put. You would have died to pass this group number 1 of Inter or both the groups of Inter. Am I right? Carry that happiness. Don't carry the stress. Because more than you follow what I am saying, my dear lovable students, if you carry yourself cool and composed, you will be getting extra 15 mark in exam. That is a 14 mark full-fledged consolidation or amalgamation sum. For your calmness, ICAI will give 14 mark. Keep that in your mind. With this background, I just want to start with the 5.5 day strategy. My dear lovable students, last continuously 4 to 5 attempt, I used to serve the students community, those who are studying in face-to-face, those who are at virtuals, and to our lovely sir YouTube community. Last 5.5 day strategy. Sir, this time, which is the most refined form. Listen very carefully. Be with me till the end. Sir, just hear and listen and process what I am saying. Sir, we are going to start in day number 1. Day number 1 will be 1st of January. My scheme of preparation for 5.5 days is in one day, for example, in day number 1, we will be classifying slot A. Slot A will start from morning 7 o'clock to 9:30. Picturize it. Morning 7 o'clock you are starting till 9:30. 9:30 to 10 o'clock is the breakfast break. Then slot N, sir, morning 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock is the slot N. My dear lovable students, slot M is noon 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock is the slot M. And the last one, slot CA, 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock, 10:30 to 11 you can. That means one day should be classified into 4 parts, my dear lovable students. A, N, M, CA. Sir, what you are supposed to cover in day number 1? In slot number 1, you have to cover AS4 in the morning slot. That is a theory part. Then AS13, that is also theory part. Like current investments are there, current investments has been converted into long-term investments. Like that, all the theory part has to be completed. From this, sir, AS4, AS13, very small accounting standard, thoroughly cover in day number 1 morning slot. Then, my dear lovable students, 10 to 1 is the real change. Very, very important slot, morning 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. You have to complete 7 case studies. As we all know that we are having 35 case studies. You would have already completed, but still, if you have already completed, redo those case studies. Current RTP case study, current MTP case study, last exam RTP, last exam MTP. In one day, in 3 hours, you have to solve 7 case studies, my dear lovable students. Second slot also comes to an end. Then third slot, 2 to 5 o'clock, the real exam time. Sir, every day in this 5 days, you have to solve 1 question from internal reconstruction, 1 question from CFS, 1 question from buyback, 1 question from branch, 1 question from cash flow statement, 1 question from amalgamation, 1 question from schedule 3, and 1 question from investment accounts. If you have not prepared any of the topic, skip that topic. In the sense means, for example, if you have not prepared, sir, amalgamation, skip that. If you have not prepared branch, skip that. And amalgamation has been released or consolidation has been released. Sir, if you skip amalgamation, do 2 questions from consolidation. If you skip consolidation, do 2 questions from amalgamation. That's how you have to manage. Then 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, you can take break till 6:30 also. Then again, you have to come back to the standards, accounting standards, AS20 and AS17. My dear lovable students, day 1 comes to an end. Morning time accounting standard, 10 to 1 o'clock, 7 case study. 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, from every big chapter, 1 question. Don't study entire chapter for 1 day, because on 6th, you are going to write examination. Question paper will be immediately after one amalgamation question, you will be having a consolidation question. Immediately after a consolidation question, you will be having a branch. That means you have to practice your brain. Immediately after you solve an IR, your brain should be able to solve a CFS. So don't study IR for the whole day. It's a mistake. Don't do that when you are in your preparation. Happily, we have completed day number 1. Enter into day number 2. Basically, which will be Jan 2nd. Morning time, you complete AS5, you complete AS10. Happily take your breakfast. Then day number 2, complete another fresh 7 case scenarios. Why I am this much, sir, asking you to complete the case scenario, by this slot, we will be covering the first 30 marks. Then we can able to complete that on the particular time. Again, repeat. 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 1 question from IR, 1 question from CFS, 1 question from buyback, 1 question from branch, 1 question from cash flow statement, amalgamation, schedule 3, investment accounts. Then take a 1.5 hour happy break. That is very, very important, man. On day number 2, complete AS16, AS22, AS18. You can end that day number 2. Wake up at day number 3, morning, complete AS12 and AS26. Take a happily breakfast. Sir, day number 3, complete 7 fresh case scenarios. You can use the ICAI case scenario booklet or current RTP, current MTP. Take happily your lunch. Then 2 to 5 o'clock, our exam slot. IR, CFS, buyback, branch, cash flow statement, amalgamation, schedule 3, investment accounts, AS13. Then take a happy 1.5 hours break. In that, if you want, you can sleep. If you want, you can, sir, go for a walk, hear some songs, nothing. Come back to your study table by 6:30. Sir, AS24, AS19 and AS23 is what the target for day number 3. Happily sleep. Please sleep for 5 to 6 to 7 hours minimum during your 5.5 days. Don't entire night, don't stretch. Don't get so much of tired. Your advanced accountancy should be tired free. then only you can reserve the energy and you can give to law and tax. Otherwise, you will pass in accounts. You will get exemption in accounts. Other two papers, you will be so weak. We have to take care of ourselves, both mentally and physically, my dear lovable students. Happily enter into day number 4. Morning, before breakfast, complete AS 9 and AS 28. 7 case studies, then 2 to 5, as if you are going to write exam. 1 IR, 1 CFS, 1 buyback, 1 branch, 1 cash flow statement, 1 amalgamation, 1 schedule 3, 1 investment accounts. Happily take a break of 1.5 hours. Come on, come to the study table. Complete AS 7, AS 15, AS 27. You can extend up to 10 to 10:30. That's it. We are in day number 5. On day number 6 only we are having examination. My dear lovable students, AS 1 and 2, because day number 5, since we are having exam on day number 6, I'm not giving you so much hard topic on that day. Very small, happy topic like AS 1 and 2. Complete your 7 case scenarios. Again, on 5th, you have to do IR 1 question, CFS 1 question, buyback 1 question, branch 1 question, cash flow statement 1 question, amalgamation 1 question, schedule 3 1 question, investment accounts 1 question. And day number 5, you have to complete AS 25, AS 29 and AS 11. By 5 days, we will be able to revise entire advanced accounting in a very beautiful manner, my dear lovable students. You will be having some doubts. Sir, I have not prepared a particular standard. For example, AS 27. Whether I have to prepare in these 5 days? No, strictly no. Whatever you have studied in this last 4 to 5 months, you have to revise. This is a revision time. Revise what you have studied. Skip that time and double revise the other standards in that slot. Sir, what are the expected standard for this attempt? My dear lovable students, I have made a super bucket for you from AS1, AS4, AS5, AS24, AS25. I am expecting AS1, 4 or 24. That too high priority is AS4 because last time AS5 has been tested. So when you are preparing the slot of 4 and 24, give more importance. 200% importance. When you are preparing AS5, 100% importance. Since it is already tested for 4 mark, they may ask MCQ for 1 or 2 or 3 mark. There is no high chance of repeating the same thing, my dear lovable students. Sir, from the bucket number 2, sir, there is a big thing waiting. AS23 and AS27 have never been tested till now. So, my dear lovable students, always it's a hot topic for exam. Be prepared with 23 and 27. Anyway, 21 CFS will be preparing. So, from this slot, sir, I am suggesting 23, 27, 29. If you have not prepared 15, luckily 15 has been tested for 2 mark MCQ. I am not saying to rule out, but if you have not started preparation of AS15, happily you leave that AS15 and come to the other topics in a thorough manner. Part number N, the last bucket. Sir, from this bucket, it is asset-based standard. 2, 10, 13, 26, 28. My dear lovable students, 2 and 28 last time tested. Look at here. 5 mark and 7 mark, 12 mark they have tested. So, my dear lovable students, give more importance to AS10. Anyway, AS13 will be covered there and AS26 is going to be a hit area this time, especially that apportionment. In the sense means amortization table will be preparing. No, that question you be very thorough. My dear lovable students, sir, from the last part C, AS11 is there, 12 is there, 16, 19 and 22. Last time 22 they have tested. So give more importance to 19. I'm expecting 19 one question, 16 one question, 11 you will be getting a case-based scenario. So be thorough with 19, 16 and 11. The last A part, man. Sir, disclosure part. Sir, they have tested last time AS9 and AS17. 8 mark they tested. So give your more importance to AS7, AS18 and AS20. These are the expected AS. Above every bucket, I have noted what are the expected AS from my side. This document will be available in our Telegram channel. The link is also attached to this video. You have run a lot. You have worked a lot. You have traveled with me. You would have studied, sir, with some other faculty. Sir, whatever it may be, have a positive mindset. This 5.5 days will change your life. There is no doubt about it, my dear lovable students. Your duty, you know what is my duty? To come up with beautiful timetable like this. What is your duty? You know, you have to say in the comment section that in the Jan Matundan, sir, with 70 plus in advanced accounting, 3 paper exemption. Sir, nee enna nenekriyo, that's what your life is all about. That's what my life is all about. That's what your life is all about. My dear lovable students, throw all your negativity, whatever may be the case. Sir, try to think the positive thing. ஒரு நெகட்டிவ்ல பாசிட்டிவ் எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க. இந்த 5.5 days தான் இருக்கு. 5.5 days இருக்கு. சார் எக்ஸாம் வந்துச்சு. கடல் மாதிரி டைம் இருக்கு. இன்னும் கடல் மாதிரி டைம் இருக்கு. Aim for the exemption. If you are able to score a 70 mark in advanced accounting, that's it, game over. 150 minus 70, the balance required is only 80 divided by 2. Anyway, we will be scoring 40 mark in law, 40 mark in tax. For that also, Jai Shri. Yes, for that also, Jai Shri ma'am is ready with super fantastic 1.5 day strategy. And after law, be with me for the tax, my dear lovable students. We have worked fantastically for this Jan. Picturize it. You know what is examination. Conquer it. Come up with the exemption. We are going to rule in the Jan. I just want to flood with the comment section with only positivity. Sir, by seeing the entire video, don't simply go, because that will carry only negativity. You say to yourself that in the Jan mattumda, அதுக்கு நமக்கு ஒன்றும் லூஸ் பண்ண போறது இல்லை இல்லையா? அது ஒன்னையே மாற்றும். நீங்க உங்கள்கிட்டயே சொல்லிட்டே இருங்க, செமையா படிங்க, செமையா ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுங்க. And from my side, if any of your friends are searching how to prepare the last 5.5 days video, to all your friends, share this. Sir, சும்மா ஒரு ஷேருக்காக மட்டும் இல்லை சார். ரியலி திஸ் இஸ் ஆஃப்டர் so much of hours of effort I'm coming up with this video. Let more the students get benefited. இது கிளாஸ் எதுவும் கிடையாது இல்லையா? காசு கொடுத்தாதான் வாங்கணுங்கிறது கூட இல்லை. ஃப்ரீயா யூடியூப்ல வர ஒரு வீடியோ that will be very 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 useful to all of them. We'll meet at the appropriate time at the success meet to celebrate your success, man. We'll meet at the appropriate time, and thank you. Bye bye from ANM.